Hi, I'm Mason. Today we're gonna make elephant toothpaste. We're gonna mix up the ingredients and get a reaction. First, my dad is gonna put hydrogen peroxide in the bottle. Next, we add dish soap. Next, we add food coloring. Next, we mix up yeast and water. Now we pour it in and see what happens. Whoa! The yeast removed the oxygen from the peroxide. That happened super fast and made bubbles. Thanks for watching! Who's gonna clean this up?